You don't know bird language.
Oh, so you're telling me know about the other chicken, aren't you? The other chicken told me that you knew where he is. Seen the other chicken lied? That motherfucker! Hold on, I gotta talk to the other chicken. So that other chicken said that you was lying, chicken. Oh, you saying he's lying about you lying? Oh, you also said he had sex with my sister. Damn, I'm gonna break his fucking chicken neck. I'm heading back over there, chicken. Where the fuck? What?
Nothing, man. Nothing.
You saying?
It's nothing.
Oh shit, this is the spot.
I have the best spot, man. You're never gonna find me.
Wait, come on, man. If the chicken won't tell me where you are, will you at least not be a chicken? Tell me where you are.
Ask the chicken where I am again.
Yeah, hold on. Chicken?
We're asking the chicken. Oh, shit! Oh, God, where did you come
I didn't need to ask the motherfucker. Yeah,
it scared the shit out of me.
Fucking chickens.
Scared the shit out of me.
What you get? You want to see this fucking filthy spot, Evan?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's fucking disgusting. Okay, so you come in here, right?
All right.
Come in here.
Uh-huh.
Come in here, and you're like, this is fine, right? This is fine. It's grand. It's grand, right?
Right.
You go over here, right?
Yeah.
You go in this door right here, right?
Right.
Yeah, you close it, of course. Oh, it doesn't close. All right, then you jump in here, right?
What are you doing?
Now, just jump in here, right?
Jump.
Go up here, right?
Right.
Go on this here.
Go on this.
And crouch in here. He can't even fit through that, like. And nowhere here.
Wait, where does this lead to, though?
Nowhere.
Oh, nowhere? What about this?
Nope.
Oh.
That's why it's perfect, though. We can see him coming in there and we can jump. Brian, we're in the church. All right? we're in the church, Brian, all right?
That's nice to know. Where is the fucking church? I see it.
Yeah, you see the church. All right, head in there now. Me and Evan are the choir. Brian. Oh, there he is. Hey, Brian.
Hey.
Look up at us. We're the choir.
Hello.
Oh,
what are you gonna do about it?
We're taller than you now. He's so small and short.
In all Irish churches, how to get up to the choir area is always through this door, and there should be stairs up. Can I even...
Oh, yeah, we locked it.
You locked it.
What? You locked it?
We locked it, man. You all out of luck.
You have to find the key.
Where's the key, Brian? Think, Brian.
There's a key?
Yeah, 100%, man. A real key. That opens that real door.
There's no fucking key. Come on. This isn't a clicking.
He's trying the door again. Oh, this is too easy. Can't wait to do it to you again, Brad.
Wait.
Oh, man. I gotta use this spot every single time Brian's seeking. Until he learns how to get up here.
That's not fair. Okay, that's not
fair, man.
How the fuck did you get up there? How did you get up there?
Hey, look, there's a ladder. There's a ladder over here.
Ladder right here.
Behind
there.
us.
Right there. See the ladder?
Oh, oh hi. Hi, Lobster.
Hey, what?
Bye. Come back up here.
Up here? Hey, now what?
Okay, go into that door. No, behind you. Oh, yeah, right behind you. Yeah, keep going. No, the other one. Brian was right there. Go get him. He's through that door. No, he was there.
That one right here?
You got me through the door. You're an asshole, Evan. Evan, you're such a dick. Get him. You're
never gonna get me.
You're never gonna get me.
Where am I, Brian? You're never gonna find me. Guys, come back up. I'm right here. You'll see me if you come back to where you were. Oh shit! Oh my god!
So lucky, man! You're so lucky!
That was so close. That was so close.
I nearly jump scared you, dude.
Hi, Brian.
Oh god.
Good.
How?
What you gonna do? Oh shit! He's coming. He's coming. You gotta get out of here.
Oh! Hey, chicken, what's up? What are you doing there, chicken? Chicken, can I ask you a question? Is Brian ever gonna find me? Said no. Said Brian isn't gonna find us.
Alright, awesome.
Chicken has spoken.
Great. Now we just have to kick back and relax.
Now we just
He's
chill
not
out,
gonna
man.
find us because the chicken
Yeah,
knows
chicken said.
all.
Knows all, sees all, past, present, future. Actually, the chicken might be fucking right, man.
He is right. He's always right.
Oh, you
I
found
told you
us,
the
but
chicken's
it's a
right.
little too late. The chicken was right.
I gotta fuck this game. Fuck it.
Don't leave.
All hail the almighty chicken.
Ryan, come here. I
Yeah.
have a good spot.
Oh, where? Okay. All right.
So you go. Yeah. Close that, and then right here.
Okay.
Interesting. Okay, let's have a look around now. Have a
But
look
if he
around.
finds us, we have to go that way.
What? You're making weird noise. Why'd you fart with your nose, huh? Why? I feel like I missed something. Hey! Come back here!
I love you. I love you.
Oh, you want to stairs now?
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me dance. Hold on.
Dance
No, you dance with me because you're on the dance floor.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Now you on the dance floor. You dance. Fuck, dude. Stop being a bitch, man. Just let me catch you. All the energy. Fuck. Wow. What the fuck, dude? I'm fucking you. There we go.
Damn it. Hey, welcome to my show, Nogla.
Oh, hey.
Sit, have a seat.
Oh, a seat. Okay.
The invisible comedian, the incredible invisible comedian.
Ooh, is he Houdini?
Yep, totally.
Oh, that's why he's invisible. He's Houdini. Wait, what? Are you gone?
Yes.
You leave. Fuck it! Oh, shit! I was just standing there. Oh, you kidding me, bro?
Remember to flush the toilets.
How did? Fuck you, Ed. Fuck you. How did you know I went in the toilet? I like how I went into the women's toilet too.
You've got 40 seconds, Nogla.
And fuck you, bitch.
You wash your hands, mate. Hey, you didn't wash your hands.
Nah, fucking
Wash
pissed
your
all over
hands.
the seat and didn't wash my hands.
All right, well, you want some popcorn?
Yes.
With your dirty hands?
Oh, damn it! You're fucking teasing me. Where is he?
Closer
You wouldn't
than
be
you
here,
think.
would you?
I'm closer than you think.
Where? How close is close?
Pretty close.
What? How you? Where you know what? Tell me fucking now. Where
I
were
was
you?
right here.
Oh, and you're just going in circles?
Yeah.
That's almost cheating, but.
Come here.
Where's he?
Hurry on. Oh boy.
Oh, hi.
Oh, this is awkward. All right, we're gonna disappear into the darkness like this.
Okay.
We're gonna disappear like that. Then we're gonna go here.
All right.
He's never gonna suspect this. He's never gonna suspect this in a million years. And then we bap with a boopy.
Is that what you did to me?
Maybe.
What the fuck?
Okay. All right, so I got a really good spot, Nogla. I got a really good spot.
Yeah.
It's
sick.
in here. Okay, it's in here. It's right. It's right. Look. Follow me. Right there. See that?
You see that? Oh man, he's never gonna find us here. Oh, this is cheating. This is borderline cheating.
Whoa, where the fuck did you go?
That's for us to know when you find out, bitch.
Oh, you little shitheads. You go upstairs and there's another door. Oh, you fuck. Slippery little devil.
All brawn and no brain, that fella.
Wait. Yes.
We go one step beyond.
For God's sake, where are you?
How'd that fall work out for you, man? It sounded like you hurt your legs there.
Oh, you said it looked like, and then you said sound like? Hmm?
Yeah, it sounded and it looked. What are you doing? What are you going, man? Come on, man. They're just going in circles now. Come on.
You want some popcorn?
Yeah, go check.
Oh, really? I gotta go over here. And oh, maybe you're over here. No, you're not.
Alright, hey, Brian. We're in the spot. Alright. We've been watching you.
Slowly sneak around.
Fuck this.
Just turn.